Pini nalito mafan la so video long nang kethan ponji la bangke uruna doi apemen komantu si kelong jima la pen la selal gro batum suri kep atangka komantu si pi ponji ma la so update puthak pini nalito mafan la so video long nang wan pik lo nalitum jong si la so YouTube channel la anta subscribe kelang pute subscribe ikon la pen ka subscribe tang tum bangke nalitum la video la bangke share pon ikon tane non pathek pen uruna doi la pen la selel group batum suri kep kilongji atangka la so update aputhak le pathek pen lang pononang la pen chethan pononang tane non chethan ponona uruna doi atangka la pen mahila udyamita abhijan matela self help group tum atangka labang so chiklo kilongji ma long lema la so details don chethan ponona la pen pini labang ke adet nali tumta chini iklo pini ke 25 September 2025 lo la pen pini laki orona doi atangka kilong ji adet lo thasi non long jima long lema la so puthani li details salam nali tumpan na than pachini ponik po jongsi nali tum la so YouTube channel na anda subscribe krilam te prabjin pen nali tum subscribe ikon tang non chethan ponona pathek pen. The governor of Assam had earlier announced the launch of two major welfare agencies, Mahila Adamita Avijan and Orunodoi Asoni 3.0, with their respective payment distributed dates scheduled from the month of September. The Sikidamta hod Assam government hin penstami ka announce pon mate notice ki people stami doiglo Orunodoi atangka labangke 25 pinyar nisi kilongning jia det ki people do the penhola suri ke batangka la selal group tum stami nali tum kidam ta video long thekdam long iksi hoda stami adet kan anadet si kunat a consistency si ki pikeron ponji ba ki pi ponji mahol sohod adet stami fix pon ikthailo stami nona bangke government hin pen lai bangke postpone iglablo la adet ki doan stami la pen kopia pose postpone pon ima mate kilar pon ima la soputha stami ni linan than pachini pon ikpo Lapen for the Orunodoi 3.0 scheme, the first installment of financial assistance with the intendly planned to be released on 17 September. Lapen kiceng ko bang 7 September ani 2020 director 17 September 2025 ani sikipi ponji alam dos tame hola sot tame adet labang puthot alang litum larpon igdet lo lapen larpon igdet pen puthot la pini adet lo 25 September 2025 pini adet si puthot ki thapon thuji pusi government hin pen kipupon stami pini stami Orunodoi atangka bangke long poni gelo lason attack la mahila odamita abhijan stami penan constituency long ada adet stami fix pono stami holata non labangke adet labangke chance pon igdet lo lapen nalitum dak thek ponongji however following the sudden and unfortunately demise of Assam most beloved singer Jubin Garg, the state government declared 3 days of official state mourning from 20 to 22 September 2025 as mark of respect to the culture icon and keeping in view the mourning atmosphere in state. The Assam government also decided to postpone all government-related public function, ceremonial launch, and benefit distribution program that we are scheduled during this period. Let's say adet bangke kicing ko bangke fix monik thalos tami puthot non hejong la niltum kaching honai karli tang la Jubin Garg rangli la bang super thepen avek det masi naso program bala kiron ponji kipi ponji an sitami government hin pen cancel pon iglap lo la pen hola so 20 pen cheng log 23 an sitami ke kibon la bangke padu pon igdet lo nasi non puthot non bangke kibon bangke avelo stami la non kiron ponji kipi ponji adet non akimi adet la bangke government hin pendak thang stami update pipon pela asi piniani stami la Orunodoi atangka la bangke long igelo la pen puthot age topon dotla because of this the release of fund under Orunodoi Asoni 3.0 did not take place on 25 September 2025. originally planned. Similarly, the payment of distribution schedule under Mahila Odamita Abhijan has been pushed back. Really, the exact new date of distribution has not yet been officially confirmed by the government. It is clear that both schemes will be see the payment schedule reversed in light of the state monitoring declared for Jubin Guard. Kasi lada kita opons tami la son la uruna doi punon la pen la selhal gro batun suri ke batangka punon la hai kiron ponji kipi ponji adet la bangke government hin pen postpone pon iklap lo la sinon akimi adet la bangke dak update la bangke pipon pila athemala non la karlitang la kai Jubin Guard so asayanta ke chokche do iko lang la sila hai clear dat ba chok dat ba pling dat lote la hai alle la hai scheme ale bangke thap alang litum pipon cheng thupo la pen thap pon ekpo la pen son lo na litum da thenglongji the Assam government is accepted and notify the public with fresh date of board scheme very soon. Beneficiaries are advised wait for the official announcement for the finance department of Assam or the CMO Assam through press release and government portals. Asen la urono ya suni lo amen kido tum an abang phu direkta abang pietum la pen hola self group along ke claim mate amen kido dun an abang pietum stamina litum chonghong paning ding ikchet nangpo la pen non la official date bang ke government hin pen publish mate paklang pon ikela ase paklang iglo plo tang te ni li puthot na litum fan la so YouTube channel along video semar pen nang than pe chini pon tu ikpo la so YouTube channel la bang ke na litum subscribe tu lang pute subscribe ikon la pela son na litum chini pota helo copy thesi la uranre scheme ale mate payment la penola selal gro batum suri ke batangka kilong pon pedet aputhak la bang ke na litum stami chini pon iklo Jubin kela Jubin Guard chewaju masil hai kiron pon ba kipi ponengji anstami government hin pen khang ik check lo la si kodak adet bangke already publish pon ikalo stami hol hay adet bangke non dam ik thailo la si non puthot adet akimi aphan si chonghong nang po nalitum stami chonghong paning ding ik chanon la pen update jo se government hin pen pilo pulotang ten ni lista me prabjin pen nalitum pan video na one pic po la pen video nalitum share ik tha karbing na ras tami pen like na la pen pachinik na son update mat la son video ke lang wer japan pura kai ke son nalitum la akimi nang ka homri mi tum bangke subscribe ik nang po lapen hola ka subscribe tum bangke video share ik nang po lalo do methak me ka du ko ve Carbitish 2.0 YouTube channel along kelangara do arvas tami nilin pen kardom